The sands of time whisper tales of ancient knowledge, carrying echoes of civilizations long past. These whispers echo from the heart of Egypt, a land where mystery schools once thrived, hidden from the uninitiated. These schools were shrouded in secrecy, their teachings guarded closely. Yet their influence shaped a civilization, leaving an indelible mark on history. Today, their allure continues to captivate us, drawing scholars and enthusiasts alike. We seek to unravel their mysteries, to understand the depth of their knowledge. We yearn for the wisdom they held, hoping to unlock secrets of the past. These schools were not mere institutions of learning, they were sanctuaries of enlightenment. They were crucibles of transformation where initiates underwent profound changes. Within their hallowed halls, initiates embarked on a profound journey of self-discovery. This was a quest for self-discovery, a path to enlightenment and higher understanding. It was a path to enlightenment, a journey that transcended the physical world. The knowledge imparted was sacred. The teachings were profound, touching on the very essence of existence. This essay delves into the enigmatic world of Egyptian mystery schools, exploring their hidden depths. We will explore their historical context, their purpose, and their key figures, shedding light on their significance. We will uncover their core teachings, the principles that guided them, and their enduring relevance in the modern world, showing how their wisdom still resonates today. Join us as we journey back in time, seeking the wisdom of the ancients and uncovering the secrets they left behind. Imagine ancient Egypt, a land bathed in sunlight. The Nile River, a lifeline, courses through the desert. Along its banks, a civilization flourished. This was a time of great intellectual and spiritual awakening. It was during this era that the mystery schools emerged. They became integral to Egyptian society. These schools were not for everyone. They were exclusive. Only those deemed worthy were initiated. The selection process was rigorous. It tested the candidates' character, their intellect, and their spiritual readiness. Those who were chosen embarked on a path of transformation. This path led them to the heart of Egyptian wisdom. The mystery schools wielded considerable influence. They played a crucial role in shaping Egyptian society. Their teachings influenced religion, governance, and the arts. They were the guardians of sacred knowledge. They ensured its transmission across generations. The Egyptian mystery schools were more than just educational institutions. They were transformative crucibles. They were shrouded in secrecy. Their purpose was to guide initiates towards spiritual enlightenment. This was a journey of self-discovery, a process of awakening. The initiation process was rigorous. It involved a series of trials. These trials tested the initiate's physical, mental, and spiritual fortitude. The trials were designed to purify the soul. They prepared the initiate for the reception of sacred knowledge. The teachings within these schools were carefully guarded. They were revealed gradually. Each stage of initiation brought deeper insights. The initiates learned about the nature of the universe. They explored the mysteries of the afterlife. They delved into the principles of Ma'at, order, truth, balance, and harmony. The Egyptian mystery schools were steeped in tradition, with roots that extended deep into the ancient past. Their teachings were passed down through generations, carefully preserved and revered by those who followed. Key figures emerged as guardians of this sacred knowledge, ensuring its survival and integrity. They were revered for their wisdom, their spiritual insight, and their mastery of esoteric arts, which were considered divine gifts. Imhotep, a polymath of extraordinary ability, is often credited with establishing the first mystery schools. His genius was multifaceted, spanning various disciplines. He excelled as an architect, a physician, and a high priest, leaving a lasting legacy in each field. His wisdom and knowledge earned him a place among the gods, and he was venerated as a deity after his death. Akhenaten, a pharaoh driven by a radical vision, sought to transform Egyptian religion in a profound way. He elevated Aten, the sun disk, to supremacy, challenging the traditional pantheon of gods. His reign marked a period of profound spiritual upheaval as he attempted to shift the religious paradigm. His influence extended to the mystery schools, which began to reflect his monotheistic beliefs. They embraced his focus on a single universal deity, integrating it into their teachings and practices. Nefertiti, Akhenaten's queen, played a significant role in this spiritual revolution, standing by his side. She was renowned for her beauty, her wisdom, and her spiritual devotion, which inspired many. She was deeply involved in the mystery schools, contributing to their evolution and growth. Her influence helped shape their teachings during this pivotal era, leaving an indelible mark on their history. Section 5: Pillars of Knowledge, Core Teachings and Philosophies. The Egyptian mystery schools were founded upon a set of core teachings that were passed down through generations. These teachings provided a comprehensive framework for understanding the universe, the self, and the divine, offering insights into the nature of existence. They offered a path to spiritual enlightenment, guiding individuals towards a higher state of consciousness. At the heart of these teachings lay the concept of Ma'at, a central tenet in Egyptian philosophy. Ma'at encompassed the principles of order, truth, balance, and harmony, which were essential for maintaining cosmic and social equilibrium. It was the foundation of Egyptian society, influencing every aspect of daily life and governance. It was believed that living in accordance with Ma'at ensured a harmonious existence, both in this life and the next. It also guaranteed a favorable afterlife, where the soul would be judged and rewarded. The mystery schools provided detailed teachings on the journey of the soul after death, preparing initiates for the challenges they would face. They emphasized the importance of living a virtuous life, adhering to moral and ethical principles. They taught that the soul faced judgment in the afterlife, where its deeds would be weighed against the feather of Ma'at. They believed that only the righteous would achieve immortality, being granted eternal life by the gods. The ultimate goal of the mystery schools was to attain spiritual enlightenment, transcending the physical realm. This involved deep meditation, ritual practices, and the pursuit of esoteric knowledge, unlocking the mysteries of the universe. The initiates sought to transcend the limitations of the physical world, aiming to reach a higher plane of existence. They aimed to achieve union with the divine, becoming one with the gods and the cosmos. Section 6: Echoes of Ancient Wisdom, Modern Relevance. Centuries have passed since the height of the Egyptian mystery schools, yet their teachings continue to resonate. The wisdom they imparted remains relevant in the modern world. It offers insights into personal growth, spiritual development, and the pursuit of a meaningful life. The concept of Ma'at, with its emphasis on order, balance, and harmony, holds particular significance. In a world often characterized by chaos and imbalance, Ma'at offers a timeless framework for living. It encourages us to seek harmony within ourselves, with others, and with the natural world. The Egyptian emphasis on personal responsibility and the consequences of our actions also resonates deeply. The teachings on the afterlife remind us that our choices have consequences. They encourage us to live ethically, to strive for righteousness, and to leave a positive legacy. Section 7: Kemetic University, a portal to ancient knowledge. For those drawn to the wisdom of the Egyptian mystery schools, a modern portal exists: Kemetic University. This online platform provides access to the teachings of ancient Egypt. It offers a unique opportunity to explore the philosophy, spirituality, and culture of this ancient civilization. Kemetic University offers a wide range of courses. These courses delve into various aspects of ancient Egyptian knowledge. They explore topics such as esoteric practices, hieroglyphic writing, and the principles of Ma'at. The courses are designed to be accessible and engaging. They cater to both beginners and those with prior knowledge. The Kemetic University app provides a convenient and immersive learning experience. It features interactive lessons, guided meditations, and a supportive community of learners. It is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to connect with the wisdom of ancient Egypt. Section 8: Conclusion: The enduring legacy of Egyptian mystery schools. The Egyptian mystery schools stand as testaments to the human thirst for knowledge and spiritual enlightenment. They were more than just educational institutions. They were crucibles of transformation, guiding initiates toward a deeper understanding of themselves and the universe. Their legacy endures, offering timeless wisdom for modern seekers. The principles of Ma'at, the emphasis on personal responsibility, and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment remain as relevant today as they were millennia ago. Through platforms like Kemetic University, the teachings of ancient Egypt are accessible to a global audience, ensuring that their wisdom continues to inspire and guide us on our own journeys of self-discovery.